get views on YouTube, you need amazing thumbnails, as you know, to get clicks on your videos. Instead of guessing which thumbnail is going to be better, why not use AI to analyze your thumbnail options and choose the best option? You can even test one option versus another option and see which one's going to perform better using AI power. TubeBuddy's the tool we're using today. I'm going to choose one of my low-performing videos here, this one right here, everything you need to know about Cloudlifter. Just choose a random video you want to test in your YouTube studio. You can access the AI thumbnail analyzer using the TubeBuddy interface on the side, or you can scroll down to right above your thumbnail in the interface and click Thumbnail Analyzer. When you click this, it'll populate the thumbnail from that video in the interface, and it'll analyze it with an AI heat map. Then you can upload a number of alternate thumbnails that you want it to analyze. I'm going to just choose one alternate thumbnail. In fact, why not just do two? I'm just choosing two random thumbnails here. The AI is analyzing these thumbnails to determine whether it thinks it would perform better or worse than my current thumbnail. All right, let's assume that it thought it would perform better in this example. Then I'm going to select this one that it thinks it'll perform better, and I'll click Use Selected Thumbnail and hit OK. It will then publish that thumbnail that it thought would perform better to my video, and then it refreshed and saved. Boom. Notice how the new thumbnail is now here. Pretty awesome, right? All right, let's assume that we aren't confident that that thumbnail is necessarily going to work out. So what are we going to do? Click Thumbnail Analyzer again, choose an alternative thumbnail, then we can do an A/B test against our current thumbnail. It thinks that this thumbnail right here would perform much better on this video than our current thumbnail. But let's make sure by actually testing it on YouTube and gathering the data. So what we can do is click Run A/B Test on thumbnails. We'll click Thumbnail, click Next. I like to do until it reaches statistical significance, and I like to start as soon as possible. This is the alternate thumbnail it's going to be testing, and click Start Test. Then the test has started. It'll actually test it on YouTube and actually show you which one is performing better, and you can monitor the progress of it by clicking the TubeBuddy toolbox at the top of the screen, scrolling down to A/B testing, create A/B test now. Once you get here, click the In Progress button, and it'll show you all of your in progress tests. If you want to see how your test is going, it'll be listed right here, and it'll show you the statistics once it has statistics to show you. If you want to stop your test at any time, click Stop Test. You can either choose the original or the variation. This is just an example, but using the power of AI to determine which thumbnail may perform better will take the guesswork out and help you get better performance on your videos in the long run. Look, these videos only cover some of the information that you may want to know about growing on YouTube and using TubeBuddy, so go to notcorrupt.media and download the full in-depth ultimate guide, totally free, notcorrupt.media.